Ugoko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, ni kunyitanire. Now, muthenya wa ira, Nelson Havi ni uria president wa LSK, Law Society of Kenya. Ni turonire ni ajoinire kiama kia DCP kia Rigathi wa Gachagua. Now, Nelson Havi arauga atiriri ati thutha wake kwanirira ati ni ngira kiama kia DCP. Remember, arakorirwo auma kiama kia UDA, kiama kia Ruto, araingira kiama kia Rigathi wa Gachagua. Arauga atiriri ati thutha wake kwanirira ati niuma thĩinĩ thutha wake kwanirira ati ni ngira kiama kia DCP, na turona ni kirwa kobia ka DCP ni Rigathi wa Gachagua, ati andu maihurite thĩinĩ wa DM ciake, WhatsApp yake, kila handu makigeria kumwira atiriri ati nirekire mahitia kuingira thĩinĩ wa kiama kia DCP. But of course andu a UDA nio maratumirwo, nio marero atiriri, you see, waingira ruku uguo ndungiingira kiama kia DCP, ndungiingira kiama kia Rigathi wa Gachagua, because it was a big win thĩinĩ wa DCP kwamukira mundu waiguita inene ta mundu ta Nelson Havi. No Nelson Havi amerite atiriri andu acio mamwira muigire advice cianyu. Nelson Havi erite andu atiriri hingo no ndoka thutha wa kuresign tondarisign kiama kia UDA mieri na mithiru mwariku muni advice yo murani advice nikitha ici muroka kunjira akamera DCP na kiama kia Rigathi wa Gachagua ndekumaga atira, ndekuma na kuu nikuo ewikara. Akira andu atiriri aikumwe na thina nitucemanie thĩinĩ wa ballot mena thina. But Nelson Havi, on before I joined DCP, he did a calculated move. Nego kau, ladies and gentlemen, reke tuthome uria Nelson Havi augite. Negumwira gitumi niki andu aingi matumitwo ni UDA DM-ini yake. Negumwira niki andu aingi matumitwo moke mamwire aume DCP. Nelson Havi augite o na niguo postete thĩinĩ wa page yake. Please do not spam my WhatsApp DM with advice or dissatisfaction with my choice to join DCP. Where have you been for the last 4 months since I resigned from UDA? To advise on what I should have done or not done. Weka picha yako na jina yako kwa ballot if you think you are more knowledgeable on the matter. Kamera atiriri, ekira bicha yaku na ritwa yaku thĩinĩ wa ballot. Aikore ciria wena meciria maingi thĩinĩ wa undu uyu, magacemania thĩinĩ wa ballot. Guys, Nelson Havi, before he joined DCP, he knows very well DCP thĩinĩ wa United Opposition. Nelson Havi, United Opposition magikana thĩ maikare thĩ, no akona kamwekera gupeperusha bendera kana federa United Opposition thĩinĩ wa Western, because last election ari thĩinĩ wa ballot neo new advantage. Undu ungi, team ya Ruto, team ya UDA nimonire atiriri Nelson Havi kuma UDA guthie mwena wa Rigathi wa Gachagua, it was a big bro. Tariko ni atiriri andu me mwena wa UDA mathi mwena wa Rigiji. Hingo Nelson Havi athie thĩinĩ wa DCP ni aheire igweta muno DCP party. Okay, that move ya Nelson Havi with the DCP ni aheire DCP hiya mwingi na igweta inene. That DCP ti Mount Kenya peke yake, DCP ni akira mundu, na DCP eno ekira handu. Nelson Havi did this calculation before I joined DCP. Nionete megukome thĩinĩ wa United Opposition. Ndamwira thĩinĩ wa video ndamwikira muthenya wa ira, ongithie thĩinĩ wa Western constituency kuria karugama 27 na kuria rugama 22 agirwo ni mundu gwitwo Tim Wanyonyi. Ekita mathabu maya akona atiriri Western constituency andu ari ingi ni ao ni Baruhia. I think Nelson Havi, I think ni Muluya, if I'm not wrong. Number 2 number 2 Agikuyu nio aingi kuria. So with DCP ni kuhuthiire Nelson Havi na methini wa neutral position. So with DCP ne kuhuthiire Nelson Havi nega take that advantage yo neutral position na kura cia abaruhia iria cimwena wa Western constituency tondu Nelson Havi ni mubaruhia amete from Malagoli sub county na still kwena kura nyingi muno cia Gikuyu thini wa Western constituency. Nelson Havi ekite calculation hiyo. Calculation ege ekite agiko andu mamwe acoke mwena wa UDA thini wa Nairobi guti mundu la support Ruto, guti mundu la support UDA. So egocoka UDA neutral opposition merogamie mundu akahoto ni athikiriirie ground Nairobi niko muturi kwa muritu muno by the way andu matirenda Ruto, so acoke UDA. He can't go back there because acoka UDA nano kana UDA definitely no akagwa. And for your information kwa tukatiriri timu Wanyonyi uria koretwo MP kore Senator Chese kwa tuka kwena fununu hata guthikurugama governor na ukumena wa Western Kenya Bungoma, I think so. So Nelson Havi wa timu Wanyonyi auma athikugama governor Nelson Havi ni okona opportunity jega na opportunity nene. Remember Raila ndariho ati uriuga mundu wa ODM arugame kweko niku akayokura Raila ndariho ona ODM ngiukerugame mundu matina machinari ya ya gwikoria ya kumuhora campaign still ODM menda kumajina Ruto, so andu manona mundu uyu me hamwe na Ruto andu matikamwe kura. Nelson Havi have done all that calculation na kira andu atiriri mieri na mwariko tigai kuni advice ni njikite mathabu makwa na ngona uria fatie weka. So guys, it's big bro mwena wakina because I think andu matumito thini wa DM Shia Nelson Havi ulifanya vibaya, ulifanya hivi ni andu aria me mwena wa Kasungu, aria me mwena wa must go. I think those are the people aria matumito kumwera oi my friend you did a big blunder, you did a mistake. No, Nelson Havi augite it is what it is. Riwe Lugaro kuva driver kuva makanga kidogo witwo UDA na nyumete na nie gukorwo de wa DCP till 27 Cleophas Malala utite wira munene muno ne utite wira mwega guys. Lakini tutere tune uri gwikara mundu meguthimanyitanite muno especially thini wa politics ya bũrũri wa Kenya mundu meguthimanyitanite muno gukodi ha kumenyithia kila undu uri wothe urekika. Now Gachagua did a calculated move kwa Nelson Havi kwa nia UDA atiriri ona nie ndina hinya wa gupoch andu mumite UDA ni guthaine muno kwa mundu wetwo Ruto, but it was a big bro kwa Ruto kwa nile gatho Gachagua ni welcome Nelson Havi thini wa kiama kia DCP. They can't believe it. Ni makweto makiuthia Gachagua na njira nene, but now maroni oduma. Guys, what's your take on this? Mani manyu maiko inywe mwana atia nyandikira thini wa comment section. Thank you, God bless you. It is what it is, kwani iko nini. God bless you.